Hello, I'm Bertel Skjellerup. I'm Sales Director at BELKI Teknik. This is our UltraMag, which is our line of inline magnetic filters utilizing neodymium magnetic rods. Our line of inline magnet filters are typically used in grinding and honing applications, but also for cast iron machining where the fine particles needs to be removed. To clean the BELKI UltraMag filters, simply open the clamp closing at the top, lift out the magnetic insert and place it in the cleaning station. The magnets are scraped clean using these tools, fast and easily, and the scraper ring resets itself when inserted into the filter housing. To start operation, again, simply put on the clamp, close the filter, and filtration can be resumed. Do you have grinding or honing applications where additional filtration is needed? Please contact BELKI Teknik or look at our website at belkifiltration.com.